What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. All right. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, the Hussle family, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Oh, all you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So, it's a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there. Any random King Hussle page start writing you saying, yo, you want to make some money or anything like that, should be a red flag already that that's a fake page. And before you send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're doing business with the right person, you're seeing this face, and you're getting what you're paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today we're going to be talking about a place, a credit union where you can go to get a $25,000 unsecured signature loan, all right? Not secure, unsecured, which means you do not have to put up any collateral. You don't have to put up anything, and they work with bad credit. So, like I've been telling you guys before you go apply for these loans, before you just think anybody gonna give you a loan because you have bad credit, please take the steps that I give you in the beginning of the video before you go apply for these loans, so you can have a better success rate of getting approved for these loans. All right, so let's break it on down to you. First thing you want to do, you want to clean up your credit profile, all right? Because you already got bad credit. You already got, you know what I'm saying, your credit profile not looking as good. You need some money. You need some help. So you want to clean up your credit. And the first thing you want to do is update your information on your credit profile, all right? You want to get all those old addresses and numbers off your credit profile. You want to make sure everything is up to date. Boom. Once you do that, then you want to start getting those old collections off your credit profile, all right? So any collection over 7 years is deemed to be expired. So any collection that you have over 7 years or older on your credit profile is expired. But also taking a notice of this, if you start deleting things off your credit profile, that will delete the age on your credit profile. So you got two options: to either start paying those collections off on your credit profile or get them deleted off your credit profile. You keep them on there, it's going to keep it age, but you got to start paying those payments off. You delete them, you don't have to pay them, but it's going to make your credit report less aged. All right, so boom, it's just about which way you want to go. So if you're going to delete the collections off your report to start over clean, what you're going to do is you're going to freeze your credit report on all three of the credit bureaus. So that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All right. So once you freeze it on all three, freeze your credit report on all three of the credit bureaus, you're gonna go dispute all the collection accounts on your credit profile. All right. So about after 2 weeks, when you dispute those collections on your credit profile, you're gonna start seeing drop-offs. Now, some people might have increase on their credit profile. So if you have increase on your credit profile, you're going to literally call the number on that credit profile. Call the number that they're giving you, and they're gonna tell you who's reporting it. You're gonna call them, give them the spill. Once you give them the spill, and it comes off your report, now you're doing some cleaning. All right. So how things work is by the debt on your credit profile. If you got good debt, you got bad debt. If you got $80,000 or $100,000 in debt on your credit profile, and you're not making not one payment, everything is delinquent, you just behind on payments, and it reports every month, then that's bad debt. But if you got $100,000 in payments and trade lines on your credit profile, and you're making exceptional payment history every month, you haven't missed a payment, that's good debt. All right. And a lot of people think, oh, just because they go off credit scores and things like that. Credit score plays a small amount into you getting a loan or getting the things that you need. All right. They look at a lot of different things. There's a lot of different factors other than your credit score that they look at into getting loans and credit cards or lines of credit. So you might have the credit score, but that they don't require, but your profile looks good, so they still might loan you the money. All right, so it's a lot of different factors that go in. So boom, once you get those things off your credit, you're going to start adding them trade lines. And I told you guys, anybody out there that's paying rent, that's paying any type of bill from Netflix, Hulu, rent, electricity, gas, water, any of those bills, you should be reporting that on your credit profile. And I told you guys before, some sites like Ava, you got Incredible, Credit Strong, Credit Rent Boost, Self. It's a lot of different trade line builders and credit builder sites that you could be going to in order to build this um, good debt on your credit profile. All right, so you got rid of the bad debt. Now you're building up good debt. So boom. Now that you're building up good debt, and you can go get some credit cards. You might want to get some secured credit cards. You might even get approved for unsecured credit card, low limit. And after 3 months, you making good payments, they raise your credit limit. So there's a lot of different trade lines that you could be adding to hurry up and boost your credit so you can get approved for these loans. Right. So you're doing all this after a month, then you can go apply for these loans. But what you want to do is, because today we're going to be talking about a credit union, all right? Elements Financial Federal Credit Union. And what you want to do is, they're based out of Indianapolis. You want to go open up a bank account with them, start building a relationship with this bank, this credit union. So once you go apply for that loan, you already have the relationship, you already have the things that you need in order to get approved for this $25,000 loan. So take those steps that I just gave you right there, do that, then go apply for the loan. Go open up a bank account with Elements Financial Federal Credit Union. Then apply for the loan, because once you start putting money in and money starts coming in, more money coming in that's going out, they're gonna start sending you perks. They're gonna start sending you credit card offers. They're gonna start sending you a lot of different things. All right. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you today where to go to get your unsecured $25,000 signature loan, no bank statements, just your signature. All right. So let's check into it. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Elements.org, Elements Financial Federal Credit Union. All right, so they got online banking, checking, savings, loans, mortgages, credit cards, and more. So today we're going to be talking about the loans. So you're going to go to the loans, you're going to go to personal, and they got different type of loans. But the first loan that pops up is the unsecured signature loan. All right, so the overview: not tied to collateral, borrow up to $25,000, fixed month payment each month instead of revolving line of like a credit card, no pre-penalty payments. You can view the rates. So you be paying $755 a month back each month for 48 months. And then they got a good option for, if you want a convenient way to purchase a large ticket item, you can buy with a credit card. You want to consolidate loans or pay off your credit cards, trade off interest rate is generally higher than a loan secured with collateral, and borrower usually must have a high credit rating. All right, so unsecured signature loan. All right. So certificate loans, they got uses for Element certificate as collateral, borrow up to the full amount of your Element's collateral at 2% above your current savings rate, lower interest rate than many other convenient loans, no fees, no certificate early withdrawal penalties, adoption loans. They got credit builder loans. In an initial step of the journey to build your credit, no credit qualification required, 6 to 12 months. Repayment term established with an original loan amount of $500 to $1,000 made available for use at the end of the repayment period. All right, so that's how that one works. You be paying 5% APR, nothing too major. All right. And then they got credit cards. They got Signature Rewards Visa. They got Platinum Visa, Cash Rewards, Butler University Rewards Visa, Indianapolis Indian Signature Rewards. They got Rallies, Children's Foundation, Secure, Visa. So let's see what this one's about. Indianapolis Indian Signature Rewards Visa earned 1.5 cashback and rewards for everyday purchases, $200 cashback just to use in your car, 0% intro APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers. After the intro period, a variable APR of 15.49% for purchases and balance transfers, no orientational transaction, no international transaction fees, no balance transfers, no annual fee, no convenience or paying the retailers at the tap or swipe of a chip. Our Elements will donate $100. Just complete the $10 purchase and at least, okay, boom. All right, so this is a little good credit card. So yeah, go check out Elements Financial. Get you $25,000 with go get a bank account so you can get it just a signature loan. So once you open up a bank account and they see that the transactions and you build a relationship, then you can get the $25,000 unsecured signature loan from Elements Financial. All right, so let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. $25,000 unsecured signature loan from Elements Financial Federal Credit Union. And like I said, you want to do those steps in the beginning. Then you want to go sign up for a bank account with them. Then you want to start making transactions. You want to start depositing money. You want to get your checks direct deposited to your bank account so they can see and you can build a relationship with them to see that you got money coming in. Once you got money coming in and you've been depositing money, more money coming in than what's going out, then apply for the $25,000 unsecured signature loan from Elements Financial Federal Credit Union. All right, so these credit unions will help you easier than these major banks and these major lenders. All right, and like I told you guys before, there's even people out here that will lend you money personally. It's called P2P, peer-to-peer loans. All right, and I just made a video about it. A lot of people not hip to it. A lot of people not hip to you can go somewhere other than banks and lenders to get money. There's people out here that will personally lend you $40,000, $10,000 at just like a bank with an APR with a percentage on it. So you got to start doing your research. You guys got to start worrying about getting your credit reports together. You got to start getting your credit together, because once you get your credit together, you will be in new positions to get your life together. Credit is everything. Credit is revolved around everything. You need credit for everything that you do. So in order for you to be successful, you got to get your credit together. In order to be a multi-millionaire or billionaire, you got to be able to get your money together. You don't become a millionaire or successful by saving money. You become a millionaire or billionaire by getting loans from the banks, investing into the right things, making a profit, paying the loan back, and repeating the process. Point blank, period. Do it make sense to save $50,000, go buy a house, and be right back broke and got to repeat the process all over again? You know how hard it was for you to save that $50,000, the blood, sweat, and tears, when you could have saved up $50,000, had good credit, went to the bank, got a $50,000 loan, had your $50,000 in cash, and had a $50,000 loan. So now you got $100,000 and then invested it and doubled up your money into that house or that business that you wanted to do. Don't that make more sense? And that's where I'm trying to get you guys to be. That's the mind frame I want you guys to start understanding. Listen, I'm going to tell you guys like this. People who out here doing all this extra stuff with CPNs and building credit and doing it, you got to know something. You got to know how to build credit. It's the same thing. CPNs are new entities. It's just say you as soon as you graduate, turn 18, now your credit report is clear. You got a new credit report. Like now it's starting. You can start building credit. That's what a CPN is. It's a new entity. You got to build the credit on it, isn't it? Trade lines can cost thousands of dollars. Y'all think them little bitty trade lines for $200, $300, $400 gonna do something major? No, y'all gotta wake up and smell the juice. Y'all gotta be more aware. Y'all gotta understand what's going on. And like I said, this is on educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything wrong, but I will tell you to build your credit. I will tell you to get your credit together. I will tell you to learn credit, because once you learn credit, it will be easier for you to finesse these banks the right way and getting these loans, these credit cards, and these lines of credits that you need in order to succeed. Point blank, period. All right, so pay attention to these videos, because every video I'm telling you something that you need to grasp and hear. Every video I'm giving you little pointers that if you put them together from other videos, you'll learn how to make a lot of money. A lot of people do. Trust me, a lot of people put these videos together and make a lot of money, and you can do it too. All right, we all the same, we all believe the same, we all got the same 24 hours. All right, so take that into consideration. Watch this video throughout the whole video. Learn how to get this money. Learn how to build your credit, because every video in the beginning, I'm going to tell you how to clean and build your credit, point blank, period. You can't go wrong with that. And why do I do that? Because every video, there's a new subscriber. Every video, there's a new viewer. Every day, every video, there's somebody new who's trying to be successful and advance in life and get these loans and get their credit together and learn how to save money, learn how to invest money and make passive income. And what is passive income? Money that you make while you're asleep. Money that you took by you investing into some product, and now it's making you money without you having to do anything. You just sit back and relax and enjoy the ride and collect your money. Point blank, period. All right, so without further ado, shout out to all my new King Hussle subscribers, followers, and viewers of the channel, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me drop these videos. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. Y'all motivate me to do whatever I gotta do for y'all. All right, so shout out to y'all. Come get y'all lessons, all right? FaceTime 101, basic lessons, $500. Advanced lessons, $1,000. And unlimited gems, $2,000. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500, you come to me. $4,500, I gotta come out of state to you, all right? $500 deposit. Once you pay your $500, we're gonna book your seat. We're gonna pick the date we're gonna meet. and we're gonna make it happen. You pay the rest of the fee once we meet in person, all right? So book y'all seats. Also, I'm still looking for people from my production company. So rappers, actors, cameraman, producers, models, content creators. Tap in with me. You got some good music. You ready to tap in? Music reviews are $200. You're not willing to invest $200 into yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you? Point blank. Period. This music game is not free. Y'all doing these YouTube beats. Y'all not registering y'all songs. Y'all think this is just, oh, I'm gonna do a YouTube beat, put it out, and get famous. It don't work like that. Being in this music industry, it takes a lot of money to invest, and don't nobody want to make bad investments. All right. People are getting smarter with this. So if you're not willing to invest $200 into yourself, no one's going to invest $200,000 into you. So always remember that. Remember that before y'all send me y'all music or any links, because I will not be watching or listening to anything without payment. All right, so take that into consideration. Any models out there, you ready to elevate, you ready to take over the game, you ready to elevate your brand, your platform? Listen, you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Any woman out there with a good head on her shoulders and willing to work, tap in. I'm going to put you in all the right positions. I'm going to put you in podcasts, blogs, movies, skits, whatever it takes for us to get you out there, get your brand out there, get you successful. We're going to make it happen. Point blank, period. So you might have 5 videos a day, $200 today. That's $1,000 for $200. Boom. Tomorrow you might got to do 2 podcasts. The next day you probably got to do a song just because. Then the next day you probably got to do 3 more podcasts. And then the next day you probably got 3 videos. We're going to work over here. We're going to make sure you booked, and we make sure you're going to get that money. Point blank, period. Don't waste my time, because I won't waste yours. Also, cameraman, you in Houston, Texas, tap in when we got a 4K, 6K, 8K, red, whatever camera is top tier 4K. Tap in when we got good editing skills. Let's work. Producers, tap in with me. Oh yeah, and cameraman in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or wherever you at, and you able to travel, tap in with me. Let's work. Also, producers, tap in with me. Let's make these fire beats. I'm a producer. I do it all. Cameraman, producer, artist, CEO, manager, all that type of stuff. And also, anybody out there willing and want to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month off YouTube, it's called YouTube automation, where you do not have to show your face. You don't have to do nothing. All you gotta do is post the videos, all right? So you find your niche, you post the videos, and you make money. If you want to learn how to do that, it's gonna be $500. You want me to just build your channel, do your SEOs, you want me to do all that for you, and get your couple videos on your channel, it's gonna be $1,000, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, make sure y'all ready to win. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see you at the next video. Peace.